Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is currently, like many other cryptos, showing quite a lot of strength again. And we can at the moment focus further on the upside as long as we stay above $34.80. So pretty much this low down here. Yeah, as long as we hold that, we can focus on higher. Because this was a wave 2 low, and as long as the wave 2 is holding, the wave 3 can be ongoing, and that is currently what we are looking at here. So the overall wave count from the low here at 2580 has so far been bullish. All the bearish possibilities are not invalidated yet, so we can still go down. Yeah, absolutely. So there is still a probability that we can make a lower low. I always have to say that very clearly for two reasons. First of all, everybody, and there's a lot of new people in the space, you know, especially in the beginning of such an uptrend, and there will be more new people coming in as soon as we see significant price moves to the upside. And a lot of people think TA can give you certainties. No, TA can give you probabilities and price targets, and I think most of the time we hit them, but of course not all the time. Yeah, of course I can make mistakes, or simply the market is doing other stuff than indicated. Yeah, and to be honest, unlikely events happen all the time, so it can give you probabilities. But especially in such a early stage of an uptrend and a potential turnaround phase, it is still uncertain. There is still a lot of uncertainty, and as long as we are not above this wave 4 high and I flagged that level here up from the beginning, as long as we are not above that level, there are still a lot of bearish possibilities that could work out here. Okay, so that is why I need to flag it up that there is still a certain probability that we will make a lower low. And again, similar to Bitcoin, I would give it a 60-40 in favor of a bullish breakout, which means there's still a 40% probability we could come lower. But again, currently we can focus on higher as long as we are holding this low. At the moment, the wave count suggests we have completed a wave 1 here in end of June. We came down in a wave 2 towards 3180. We then moved up in a wave 3, will be somewhere up here. But within the wave 3, we have completed a wave 1 subwave, a wave 2 subwave, and we are now in this wave 3 subwave in white. But again, also this wave 3 subwave consists of 5 waves, as every third wave has 5 waves, 5 subwaves. And within these subwaves, that's now where it's getting interesting. I'm of the view that we have completed here a first wave, and we are now in the second one. So either we have already completed this second one, or we are still in it. That is what is not entirely clear, but overall, the overall focus remains to the upside. So I can't guarantee you that we are going to reach this target here. This is sort of only the target where we can look, you know, in terms of highest likelihood retracement here between the 50% Fibonacci retracement level and the 38.2% level, between 39.53 and 40.68. Yeah, this is the area of the highest likelihood where you would actually expect the price to get into in a wave 2. We don't have to. Yeah, it already reached the 23.6% Fib level. That is not a very likely retracement for a wave 2. But if we start higher from here, it would be very bullish. It would just confirm the bullishness of this move. And looking at this, we need to understand that if we go above $44.40, that is the wave 1 high. If we go above that, then probably that's the best indication we can get that this wave 2 is actually over. Yeah, then it would have finished here already. Primarily, I still have to expect another dip, but again, it doesn't need to. We're in an uptrend, and again, as long as we hold down here the 34.80 level, we can focus on higher. Next resistance to be broken is that wave 1 high. Going above the wave 1 high will indicate strongly that we are in this third wave, and it depends now a little bit how low the wave 2 really goes. Depending on that retracement, we can calculate a wave 3 target. That wave 3 target would be at the moment $57 if we assume wave 2 is already in. So keep an eye on this wave 1 high at $44.30, which is also the wave X high here of the last downward move. So that's a very relevant level. If we get above that level, the next major resistance will be that 48.41 level, and that is the previous wave 4 high above which we need to get. If we get above that level, it will invalidate a lot of bearish scenarios that are still possible, and it will unlock prices all the way up to $58. And that's currently the view that we have here. Yeah. So hopefully you liked the update about Solana. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.